What's up, guys? So we're jumping right into it. We're going to be pushing Nita here to max tier in 2v2 Brawl Ball with Meeple. Nice. Now, of course, I'm going to show you the build after, but nothing too crazy. Damage and speed gear, even though it's not a ton of nice, and that's game. All right, so I'm recording unexpectedly, and so with us getting the max tier so quickly, I had to go ahead and jump into it. So as you can see, we're currently at 970 trophies, and so we're 30 trophies away from getting Nita to max tier. Let's keep pushing.
Time for a game-changing fade.
Nice, nice. We got the clip, and this should be a nice walk-in. Nice. And I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and clip this Colt. I missed all of those. Terrible. Ooh, I just got out just enough. I did not think I was going to be able to get that surge. And there goes the win, just like that. And of course, as we know, Nita is already, very good in Brawl Ball. He can be an absolute menace with his bear. And so in 2v2, you know what I mean? With Meeple, it's kind of crazy. Ooh, just spamming. Just spamming, okay. Nice. Nice. That was clutch. That was clutch. That will give me time to come back. Hopefully. Freak. That was a bad die on me. That was a real bad die. Nice. Was finally able to get the clip. Nice. Quick tie up. All right, let's lock in. Real good defense here. I need one more hit from my bear. He absolutely clipped me, and this is Zeta. I wonder, is this a true Zeta member, or is he just like, supporting me? I'm not sure. Nice, good stuff, Prime man. Good stuff, good stuff. I'm not even sure what happened. Good stuff. And so we are literally one game away from pushing Nita to max tier, which is pretty quick when you got a win streak going. So let's see if we can't cook a little bit. Two buzzes, a saber, and a laser. This is going to be very interesting. Nice. That saber buzz DPS is absolutely crazy. All right, let's see if we can get on. Where we at? Nice. See if I can hold it a little bit here. Absolutely just spammed it. Jeez. All 3 shots and still wasn't enough to take him out. Good trap, very good trap. All right, it's definitely not over. Nice, nice. That was very crunchy. Jeez. Okay, nice lock, nice lock. Only if he had his super, he could take one of them out. Nice. Pop my bear up here. I do have a stun, which is beautiful. Nice. Nice. And we got the win. That was crunchy. Good stuff, Meeple. Good stuff. And so he's now at 1,006 trophies. And do we want to push it, play one game at max tier? I've been wanting to push at, play one game at max tier. You know what? We're going to take a chance. We're going to take a chance. I knew that buzz, them two buzz combination was gonna be crunchy. I knew it. Nice. We was just able to get the clip, and that should be a nice score. Nice. Nice. Nice clip. And we got the win. Nice. Just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and end it right there. And so as you can see, 1,019 trophies for Nita, and you can see I'm at 65,000 trophies. And real quick, just to show you the build, I was using bear paws, which stuns the enemies, which is so deadly in Brawl Ball. Speed gear, damage gear, and using the bear with me. Now, one thing I do want to show you, since the last video, I kind of accidentally got some other brawlers to max tier, some new ones. So this is now my 32nd brawler that I have at max tier out of all 87. So we're gonna quickly go through this. I have Shelly, Bull, Brock, El Primo, Rosa. We also have Daryl, Stu, Edgar, Macy, Pearl, Ruffs, Buzz, Eve, Otis, Miko. I don't count Buzz Lightyear. We have Crow, Cordelius, Nita's the newest one, Bo, Grom, Angelo, Shade, Buster, which is still top 40 globally and number 6, I believe, in the US. We have Doug, Lily, Sandy, Juju, Surge. Now, one of the brawlers I got new, or actually both of them are right here. Chester and Griff are two of the new brawlers I got to max tier, as you can see. We also have Kit and Jackie. So those are all 32 brawlers that I have at max tier, not including Buzz Lightyear. Now, I'm dealing with a situation here, as you can see. I'm unable to get Meeple still. Like, I can only practice with him. So I know some people have him, some people don't. So I really hope they fix this ASAP. You know what I'm saying? But I can't get Meeple yet, which I'm kind of pissed about. So I'm really waiting on Meeple so I can get him. I'm going to go ahead and purchase the, the pizza slices I need. But I just want to wait to see what offer I get first before I, buy my pizza slices. So again, Brawl Stars, please fix this so I can get Meeple and start using them. But again, that's a quick video on using Nita and 2v2 Brawl Ball, which is one of the newer modes. Smash that like button. The channel is growing very steady. I appreciate all of the support, and I will catch you guys on the next one.